video. Dry bearing squeal. Took it home, pulled it apart. Dry bearing, air side, typical beta failure. Quite late for me, 150 hours. Had the engine to Eddie that Sunday, and he had it rebuilt, new piston, new bearings, everything sweet by the following Saturday. I put it back together on last Sunday. Been staring at it all week, gagging for the weekend, which is here today. So off we go. Eddie's in the lead because he never leads, because he always gets lost. Good job, Eddie. See how good of an engine builder Eddie is. Well done, Eddie.
Banged it down that road.
I was just looking for a body lying on the ground with an exploded bike. It was funny, eh? Because look, there's a big wedgie. Look at him.
Yeah.
Getting harassed by a crow. Enjoy. Very good track. Great morning. We've just stopped, had tea and bickies. Now we're going to do some single tracky action. Bit of an air gap. Oh, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day. In the middle of Julimar State Forest, Western Australia. Stunning. Look at Eddie leading the way. Here we have another awesome bit of track that we're doing backwards for the first time. Hey, Eddie's in the bush. Get in there, son. There has to be an Eddie down at some point. Fuck, he's down again. Eddie.
It wasn't because his foot got stuck in there.
Stop drinking before you come dirt bike, right?
His foot got dragged off it. Oh, I did drag a head start.
I'll delete that. No, I won't. It's going in for sure. Yeah. You let me get closer? A little bit closer? How about there?
Go, am I going to go?
You don't seem too phased, bloke. You're just going fucking humans.
Chilling out.
Chilling out on my log. These boys get a bit of a gap up. I like to have a thrash on my new engine. These are great little flowy tracks that I enjoy a lot. I nearly climbed the wall on that. That would have been untidy. Fuck. Got fucking beat up on that. Close to that tree. My goodness, this is good fun. I'm not going to have a look up there while they're fucking around. We all good? Okay, please.
Hit the face. Oh, fuck. And then Eddie gets a picture of me as well.
Perfect.
This gets fucking worse.
Handlebars. Oh, that's tight. Loving it, loving it, loving it a lot. That's a good little truck, isn't it, gentlemen?
It is.
Water. There is water on it.
Don't mind that. Oh, big boomer. Where's your fucking mate? Make sure the boys are alright, and then I'm going to get into it, because this is a great bit of single track. Okay. Enjoyment. Enjoyment. Fuck. Oh, leg stuck. Stop! 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 I fucking can't get my leg out. It's okay. Got it. It's damage. On that bearing, weren't you?
Hey?
He's getting low.
Yeah, just make it dribble onto the right side.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Georgetown.
Georgetown. Yeehaw! Oh, a bit fucking hot for that. He's what is he hooked up on a root, is he?
You need help, Eddie? You need help?
Tractor man. And one more for the log, Eddie. Good job. Good job, Gregory. stab to pick the front end up again. Just because I like hitting rocks.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, man. I'm very, very happy. Thank you, Eddie.
Awesome.
Eddie, the engine builder. That was an excellent ride, gentlemen.
Yeah, it was. That was really good.
I got savage arm pump today for the first time in ages. I don't think it's coming on more aggressively. It's just more aggressive.